Hey, Cantore James here, coming to you live for the Weather Channel. That's right, right across the Atlantic Intercoastal Waterway from Topsail Island. And there's a blizzard coming down upon us. That's right, you can see it accumulating here on my collar. Well, you gotta look kind of close, but you see it. 3 is the word of the day. We got 0.03 knot winds coming at us, and 0.03 inches of accumulation is expected here in southeastern North Carolina. That's right. All right, well, back to you, Jim. That's Jim Cantore for those of you that watch the Weather Channel. He asked me to do this. All right, back to you, Jim. Bye-bye.